this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do a force reset to your Samsung Galaxy Tab. Could be any version, doesn't matter. In this case, here you see power button and volume rocker button. In this case, you have to hold power button and volume rocker button are down. Let's do together. Power button and volume rocker button together. Here we go. So your tablet is black or is stuck someplace. You can do a force reset to restart your tablet again. If it's frozen, gonna work the same way. And even if you have a black screen update, it's gonna work the same way. So tablet is loading, Samsung logo here. It's gonna fix most of the problem you have. Android, okay, so it start. So most of the problem gonna fix with that, guys. So this is the way you can do a force reset to your Samsung Galaxy Tab, any version, Tab 6, 7, 8, 9 possible. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.